Well, it's time to change out my refrigerator water filter. If you don't change it out, you're going to be drinking some yucky stuff in your water. I have a KitchenAid refrigerator, but that's okay. This is the EveryDrop by Whirlpool. Just remove the little purple caps before you install it. There it is, the EveryDrop #1. They are super easy to install. It'd be very hard to mess it up actually. It'll only go in one way. Press it in and now pop that top. There it is. Now I had to fill up about 3 or 4 glasses of water to get it nice and clean. It'll be a little cloudy, so run some water before you drink any of it. You might get a replace filter light on your panel, but that's okay. On my fridge, press the options, press the lock button, and then go over and reset the filter. Press the button under it, and then it will beep. You probably can't hear it beep, but it's set. Now I'm ready to go.